Huawei Mate GT 34 inches or Dell S3422DW? Do you want to have a best gaming or working monitor on the market? If your answer is yes, so bear with me. I will share with you my experience today with these two monitors. I buy Huawei Mate 2 weeks ago and I compare it with the Dell monitor, and I can definitely say that the Dell is much better in few things. The first one is that Dell is with USB ports, and if you want monitor for work, it's better to buy the Dell monitor because of the ports that you have. Also the charger of the Dell is normal. You can put the cable and turn on the monitor. It's much better than the Huawei, because if you have problem with the charger, you need to buy new charger from Huawei. It can be expensive. It's Type-C. Actually, when I say Type-C, Huawei Mate is with the marketing that Type-C is very good, but it misses for most of the parts in Europe. So be careful if you buy Mate GT 34 inches from Bulgaria or any other Arab countries. You will receive maybe a monitor without Type-C input, and of course without a sound bars. This monitor is made 2 models, so I receive without sound bar and without input. The Huawei Mate is with HDR10. The Dell is with only HDR400. If you want to work on that monitor, it's much better choose to buy the Dell, because you will never use HDR10, because when you turn on the HDR10, it's not possible to do the color corrections, so you see the colors that are not real, and you don't need them if you want to do the Photoshop or some video editing work. So you can skip the Mate because of the USB, because of the HDR. Also about the hertz, be careful if you want to use 165 hertz, you need for sure to use the DisplayPort cable that comes with the monitor, because in the HDMI input you have only 100 Hz, and if you want to use this monitor for gaming, you need to use the cable there. And something negative, because of the gamers maybe think that Huawei Mate is very good monitor, but be careful with that. Before buying this, you need to know Huawei is not having officially AMD FreeSync technology. So if you buy the Mate monitor, you will not have this technology officially. Maybe it will work, maybe it will not work. It's also same with G-Sync. So be careful when buying this monitor. What's your monitor? Write this in the comments. Click subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.